Welcome to qnawire.
You need help with this problem, and it says using the data in Excel file, Weddings constructs scatter charts to determine whether any linear relationship exists between 1, the wedding cost in attendance, 2, the wedding cost in value rating, and 3, the couple's income in the wedding cost, only for the weddings paid for by the bride and the groom. Okay. Then find the best fitting linear regression lines using Excel. All right, so I am going to get rid of all of the data, or actually, I'm just going to kind of do these ones in like a light, in like a red color, I guess. So going to make these, or I'll do it in, these are in gray. So that way I do not make a scatter chart using that, because I'm only doing for weddings paid for by the bride and the groom. So that's something important to point out. Okay. So for the first scatter chart, I'm going to insert in a scatter plot. Okay. And I'm going to quickly so this is for wedding costs. Oops. And I'll make this bigger. And then this is for the attendance. And I need to make a line. So I just made that a little bit bigger. And I'm going to add a trend line and an equation that goes with that. And I'm just going to make this bigger so that way you can see the trend line at home and bold it. So this is for wedding cost in attendance. Wedding, cost in attendance. Okay, so that's for that first one. Okay, so as the wedding costs increase, the attendance also does increase, but really like not as much as you think. So then the next graph is wedding cost and value rating. So insert another scatter plot. And if I was to label this and we have wedding costs and then value rating. Okay, and if I was to enter in a trend line, it's kind of flat. Not gonna lie, I was thinking like there's no correlation between the, as you can see, hold on, let me see, bold, and I'm just gonna make it bigger. As you can see, there's really no correlation between the wedding cost and the cost value rating for this one. So that's that one. And now couple's income and wedding costs. So insert a scatter plot for this one. And delete that. Wedding, cost and couples wedding cost goes here. Wedding costs and couples income. Couples income. And couples income. And then if I was to enter a trend line in for this one, it is positive, and I would expect that this one would be positive. And just make this bigger and bold it. And I'm going to make all of these graphs about the same. So we have, I'm going to get rid of this so I have some more room. But we have wedding costs and value rating. We have wedding costs and attendance. See if I can make this one a little bit bigger so that the numbers are kind of spread out a little bit more. Here we go. And we have wedding costs and couples income. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.